guys, you can have those two as well. Just watch the video until the end to make sure that you acknowledge everything that you need to do, so you can maximize your profit from those apps, and you can make lots of money from these apps. Also, there are links in the description, and if you enter from those links, you're gonna get bonus money and bonus points. So watch the video till the end and like if you want more. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of RG Team Devs here. So basically, if you're wondering what the heck is this app, so if you haven't read the title yet, this video is about how to make money online. And this is not how to make like big money online that can provide you a lifetime money or something, some pocket money and fast. But if you want to hear how to make money online, let us know in the comments below, you know. This video, it's about how to make some quick cash pocket money from apps. You can do this on your phone or on PC. So basically this app is Zarclaim, yeah. So this app, basically you just have to complete different tasks, but this app is not like all those other apps, like they give you points and then you can exchange the points into money. No, this app pays you. Like this app gives you money for everything you do. So I'm gonna show you some photos. I'm already on this app for a couple of days. I played it, let's say, and I already made almost €1. It's not that much, but as I told you, almost $1. It's not that much, but as I told you, it's pocket money, you know. So yeah, basically you can download it on App Store or Google Play. It doesn't matter. So what do you do on this app? So let's see here how it works. As you can see, this is how it's gonna show you. So you can write comments and reviews. You can fill out surveys. For a survey, it pays you $0.29. So that's a lot of money, and it actually pays you. Like you can actually receive the money and then withdraw. But this is the most used one. This is the easiest one and everything. So leave engagement on social media. Basically, you watch YouTube videos or random videos and stuff, and you have to watch a video for 30 seconds and you get $0.01. And you can just watch those videos over and over again and you make a lot of money. You can also subscribe to people, follow on Twitter or Instagram, or like or comment or like all the other stuff, and you get like it's really fast. You can just like some videos on YouTube and you get $0.01 for every like you give on videos. With this one, you can browse websites. So basically, it's gonna redirect you to a website, and you just have to stay there for 150 seconds, and it's gonna pay you $0.01. But it's not like, I don't know. I didn't use this one. Just like I used this one just one time, and then I realized that it's not good at all. Like it's not worth it, you know, because you can just watch some videos for 30 seconds and you get the same amount of money as you get for browsing these websites for 150 seconds. So it's not worth it. And you can do this like unlimited. It's not gonna stop you or something. You can do this all day. So yeah, and write comments and reviews. But I downloaded the app on Google Play, and this thing you can only do on App Store. But this is the most like from this one with the surveys you get the most money from it. But with this one you can do it unlimited, and it's the most it's the fastest way that you can do, you know. So this is one of the apps that we are gonna show you in this video. As you can see, it shows you like leave a like. As I told you, you leave a like on a post or on a YouTube video and you get money. And that's it. On $25 you can withdraw the money. So it actually works. You can actually make some pocket money from this. If you really want to make more money, you can make more money. It depends on how much you want to stay watching videos, you know? And now, yeah, so this is how you can make money watching videos on YouTube. And it's totally free. You can download it on your phone, so you can just watch it. You are watching this video on your phone. You just click on the link in the description. There's a link in the description, and you click that link, and easy peasy, you download the app and you start making money, you know. Now let's go to the other app. Okay, so here is another site, another app. Feature points. This one is like all the other ones. You have to do some, you have to complete some tasks or surveys or just other stuff, and you get points, and with that points you can exchange points into real cash money. So basically this app, as you can see, over $5,800,000 rewarded since 2012. So that's a lot of money, as you can tell. You can buy, you can just cash out with PayPal, or you can buy gift cards from Amazon, Steam, PlayStation, Walmart, eBay, Nike, and all the other stuff. Like it's really good, it's really fine, and it's easy to log in or sign up. You just have to, you can sign up on PC, just put your email and sign up, or you can download it on App Store or Google Play on your phone. And you can scratch some cards, or you can scratch like it's like a lottery here. And if you win, like you get a lot of points, and you can exchange them into money. But there are lots of other tasks. Like you can download apps and make money. You can download apps and I don't know. It's gonna tell you like download that app and play until you make level, I don't know. And it's gonna pay you a lot of points. Like with that you can look just here, download and open for 2 minutes and earn points. This is another method. You can just buy the app, and for every 2 minutes that you stay, you are gonna earn 250 points. I tried this and it's actually working, and you can exchange those points and make a lot of money. So yeah, this actually works and it's free, but it's gonna take a while if you are trying to do with this scratch thing or other stuff. You can also do with referral links. It's basically affiliate links, and if you have a social media like, I don't know, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or actually YouTube, you can promote, you can let that link in the description, and for every person that gets the link or downloads the app on that link, you're gonna get 20% of their earnings. So that's that's a lot, or actually 50. So if you have more referrals, you're gonna get 50% of their earnings. So imagine, like if they won 100,000 points, you are gonna get 15,000 points. Like that's a lot. I think like 15,000 points, that's already like $25 or something, no? I don't know, but that's Garish is hearing me, but he's just thinking. Oh yeah, you heard me. Okay, so yeah, here like you can easily take a lot of stuff. Like if you don't want to take money and you want some gift cards, here are a lot of gift cards that you can choose from. And yeah, as I told you, it's easy to free and you can download it. I'm actually gonna log in here and I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so I just logged in, as you can see. So let me show you. Basically, you can see I have 75 points, so you need 3,000 points for $5. Oh, actually 15,000 points for $25, and I said like 50,000. No, let me see. You need like 60,000 for $100. So that's a lot. That's a lot of money. Imagine, like for a little amount of points. So basically, let me show you. So you can complete surveys, and you can earn up to 5,000 points for completing a survey. So you already get $5 from just completing a survey, you know? Like that's a lot of money, and easy and free and fast. So offers, here are some offers. So basically, so let me explain how it works. So let's say you want to buy some shoes or something, and you go, they give you a discount and you buy the shoes from their link. So basically they are doing affiliate marketing as well, and they are gonna pay you in points. If you buy something from them, you have like a lottery, as I told you. Like you can, if you have tokens. So basically tokens you can win from watching ads on the phone, or downloading apps, or doing tasks, and or playing that scratching the scratching cards, you know. And you can, for each token, you can join once in those lottery things, you know. And basically, if you join, let's say 20,000 times, you basically have like 100% chance to win $5 tomorrow, as you can see, in 13 hours. Or you can go for the bigger one, and you can invest like I don't know, you can join 18,000 times, and you're gonna win $100. So yeah, that's a lot of money. And remember, those are not points; these are tokens. So they are separate. So you can make points while making tokens as well, and you can join with the tokens in here, and with the points you just withdraw money and exchange them into money here. Download apps, as you can see, this is an offer as well, and you can download apps, as I told you, open them for 2 minutes and you get the money. This is the most easiest, like this is the easiest one. And here we go, this is a referral link, share with friends. So basically you can earn up to 50% points if you share this and your friends are gonna add the code RESG. So basically, yeah, this is the most efficient one, but if you don't have social media or something and you can promote this, you can also do the apps and the other, like with the surveys and offers, which they pay a lot as well. So don't worry, you're still gonna make money, even though you can use this to maximize your amount of money. So anyways, there's a link to this app as well in the description, and if you're kind enough, you can add the code RESG right here and you are gonna get 50 points. So I don't know, like this for free, you just add the code RESG and you get 15 points from the beginning. So I will do it if I were you. Anyways, let's get to the other app. Okay, so here's the last app. This is the most, let's say, like, you can make money from this one as well, but this is the most inefficient one, if I can say like that. Like, you cannot make money that fast. You have to work a lot. You have to work a lot to get points, so you can make money. Like, this is the same thing with that app. You can, like, you have to make points and you exchange them into money, but it's really hard. It's not that easy. Like, as you can see, you can do, like, you can play games that they have. You can play like tic-tac-toe and dot line game. This is basically like you have to make all the squares and you win. And as you can see, they don't pay that well, like 3 points, and you can get some rewards if you play like 6 hours or so, and you can get like from 3 points to 12 points. And there are daily gifts as well, but you don't get that much. Like let's say, like, you arrive on here and you have 16 points, you play for 2 hours, you get like about, I don't know, 15 points. So, but if you want to withdraw, you need like $5, I don't remember, and to have $5 you need a lot of points, because every like $0.01 is like, you can withdraw, you can make money, but it's really hard and it takes a lot of time. It's not 100. I downloaded the app. It's 119 points to make just $0.01. But if you make referral links, you can make more points faster. Like, this one works very fast if you have referrals. But also, if you join and if you download that from our referral link, you're gonna get 250 points from the beginning. So you already make $0.02. But as I told you, the most efficient one from all of them is this one, Zerclaim. So I highly suggest you to go on this one, and I highly suggest you to go on this one as well. This one, you can go on this one as well. You can try your best, but and also if you add our code, if you go from our link, you can make 215 points. Like, this is already some money. But I highly suggest you to go on this one. This is the best. You can just, like, from this one, you have to play a lot to make 119 points, and you get 0.01. From this one, 30 seconds of watching a video and you already get the amount of money that you get in this one. So this is the best. So yeah, anyways guys, this is the video. If you enjoyed it, and if you want more videos like this, or if you want to make if you want us to make videos on how to get like big cash, real money, so that you can have for the entire life and you can live a life for making money online, just like, subscribe and comment. And also yeah, tell us in the comments below guys if you managed to make some money, and how much money did you make from those apps. And also tell us from which app you made the most. Yeah, so, and we are gonna check it out. We are also answering comments. We are gonna, if you have any questions, or if you didn't understand something, you can always tell us in the comments below what, and we are gonna be there to answer your questions or everything. I'm laughing because Garish is looking at me with a weird face. I don't know why.
Because I'm a god.
Yeah, he's crazy. Okay, so yeah, so make sure to subscribe if you want more, and like this video so you can see that you want to make us to make more videos about this, and also comment and tell us how much money and from which app you made the most money. And yeah, check the links below and download the apps so you can make money too. Okay, see you in the next video.